Ever had that craving to snack on something while watching your favorite show but realized that you're just broke student? Well, luckily here I have some ice cream chicken that I forgot to defrost a few hours ago because today I'm going to show you how to make a simple homemade chicken nugget. Here are the ingredients that you need. First, preferably you want a boneless chicken breast, all-purpose flour, seasonings, and more seasonings, and more seasonings. Because why not? No one likes basic flavor anyway. After that, just mince up your chicken in a way that doesn't bother your housemates and neighbors. Next, mix it up with the other ingredients and turn on the stove to medium heat. You can just fry it straight away after prepping, but I'm feeling extra today, so I'm adding some breadcrumbs as well. After that, you can shape your nugget in the way you want, but preferably you want to shape it in a bite size so it's easy to eat. So you coat it with egg and then breadcrumbs and you are ready to fry it. Next, get ready to run away once you throw that nugget into the hot oil. And don't forget to check on it occasionally so that it doesn't burn. Lastly, your nugget is ready and you can enjoy it while watching your favorite show. Thanks for watching. Bye!